How to add the AI creator label on your Facebook profile. Open up Facebook, log into your account. Once logged in, simply tap on the menu icon, then select your profile. Inside here, simply tap on this letter icon. And now, before that, you have to make sure that your profile is in professional mode, not personal account. Switch your profile to professional mode if you haven't already. And now inside here, look for AI creators or creator option in your profile settings or creator tools. Simply tap onto it, then set it to yes. Now tap on save. And just like that, you will be able to find it right over here. If the AI creator label is not available for your reason, don't worry, Meta rolls out new feature gradually, so AI creator label may not be available in your region or for your account yet. But before that, you have to make sure that your app is updated to its latest version and then check back later. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.